Hello everyone, how are you all? Most welcome to today's session. I think you have been watching my YouTube channel. I am very happy. Many of you have shared to your friends and you have liked it, and you have even some of you have subscribed the channel. Thank you a lot. Uh, Today we would like to discuss the chapter 1 itself, class 7 social science, locating places on earth. Locating places on earth. Many of the topics has been or have been discussed in the first video itself. The chapters, all the subject matters, whatever is there in chapter 1, geography, class 6, they all things are mentioned or already declared, cleared and explained in the chapter 1 and in video 1 itself. And this is the second part. Since it is also is a small lengthy chapter, now I have divided into two parts. So this is the second part that I am going to talk to you today, and be attentive as you attend my class. Okay, see this locating places on earth. How we locate ourselves or yourself or our place on earth through the help of the longitude and latitude and the grid. We locate easily ourselves or our place in the earth. That in the first video it is descriptively explained. And what is map also I have defined in my own word. And now also I can what is map means. See, map is a representation of the earth's surface on the sheet of a paper is called map. Okay, once again, the representation of the earth's surface in the sheet of a paper or a drawing is called map. What is the component of the map? There are three components of the map. There are many components of the map actually, but in the book it is given there are only three components of the map. What are those? Distance, direction and symbols. These are the components of the map. My dear children, before that what is map? That there are type of maps also. Physical map, political map, physical map, and then thematic map. What all those things one by one we will discuss. Coming to the symbol component of the map, we will discuss today. So distance, the first point, the components of the map, that means element of a map is called these three. These elements is basically distance, the first one, second one direction and symbol. Distance means, what do you mean distance? Distance means a particular places, how much distance. Think that from Mumbai to Chennai, how many kilometers? Or from Kerala to Chennai, how many kilometers? Actual distance to measure, it is practically impossible. We cannot do a measurement machine. We bring our many. We just measure from distance from Mumbai to Chennai. We can't practically measure through a rope or through a device. We can't measure. But we know the distance from, suppose from Mumbai to Chennai, there are 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers. That 700 kilometer is being shown in the scale or in a paper. It's the actual distance is shown as a ratio in the paper is called scale or distance. What is distance? The actual distance is being measured or mentioned in a ratio in the drawing sheet or in a scale is called distance. If there is no distance measurement in the scale or paper, we don't have any meaning to say it is a map. Therefore, a map exists means there shall be distance also. Then direction. If there is any type of map exist, there must be also direction. Suppose you draw a small map of your area, of your school or of your town, small sketch you do, there must be direction. Then we have four cardinal directions like for example north, south and east, west. These are the four cardinal directions. What are the cardinal directions? You have north and then south and then east and then west. You have four cardinal directions. These four cardinal directions in every drawing or in every map, we must find or we must design also. This is for cardinal direction. And then there is also there is also another direction, that is for north to east, like intermediate direction, north to east. Don't say east to south, south to east, north to east, and south to east. These are intermediate direction. Northeast and southeast, these are intermediate direction. Then northwest and then southwest, these are also another direction. So we have these four directions. There are 8 direction we have: cardinal direction 4 and intermediate direction 4. So north, south, east, west, and northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. There are 8 there are 8 directions in the map. So what are symbols? Symbols are a sign. It is a mark or symbols. Internationally, it is accepted. Signs are called conventional signs or symbols. That conventional signs or symbols are shown here. See here. For example, when you saw a temple, your internationally accepted symbol is this one. When you see this symbol, you must be reminded of the temple. And when you are a church, this is a symbol of a church. Internationally, when you go to any country or any city, when you see this type of symbol, that means this type of symbol is on in your drawing sheet, then you must accept that it is a church. Then PO, this also, everybody, this is post office. This PO, when it is written like this, internationally accepted conventional symbol is called for post office, PO. Then PTO. Like that, there are so many, my dear children. Even like this symbol, see this one. This is a graveyard. That means, see, graveyard means where after death the dead body is being buried. That is called graveyard. Graveyard symbol also, like internationally accepted conventional symbols are these are. There are so many for railway station, for bus stand, for airport. Everything international accepted conventional symbols are available. That you can see, and few of them I have seen. Okay, coming to the type of maps. There are political maps, a physical map, and thematic maps. There are political maps, physical map, and thematic map. Political maps means, it shows the boundary line of the country, or boundary line of the states, or boundary line of the district. These are actually political maps. It shows the boundary lines of the borderline of the countries or state or district. That is called political map. And physical map, we know that there is a valleys, plateaus, mountains, etc. is being shown, and that is called physical map. And then thematic map, particularly speaking, a thematic about maybe your Bhubaneswar airport or Mumbai airport. The particular speaking regarding airport or bus stand or any topic, it is explaining regarding your school or college. Particularly speaking, taking the theme and explaining that area or that matter regarding your place or school or college or university. That particularly speaking about that or explaining about it. That is why it is called thematic map. So physical map, political map, physical map, and then thematic map. This way we need to understand. My dear children, these days people are least bothered about political map, physical map, or thematic map. Rather, they are now they simply go and watch their mobile, and immediately they take a screenshot and send to their friends. And then now it is widely accepted Google Map. Google Maps. Google Maps are being used and accepted. Many students, many people, crores of people are using Google Map. That's all about map. Then time zone, GMT, IST. GMT means, in the first class and first part of the video, chapter's first video, you watch it for even GMT, what is prime meridian, what is GMT, what is longitude, latitude, all detail I have given descriptively classes there you can watch. And then IST, Indian Standard Time. Indian standard time is being explained also in the first video itself, and 82 point half degree longitude is our Indian Standard Time taken as granted. And where it is that 82 degree and half 82 point or 82 half degree longitude, it is in Uttar Pradesh, somewhere one small place. That place is taken as our Indian Standard Time degree. Okay, and with this we accept everywhere Indian time is same. Otherwise, Indian time should vary. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, if you go far, quite distance, occupies 68 longitude to 97 longitude, or lagbhag 30 longitudes. 30 longitudes. You know what is longitude and latitude? All detail I have explained in the first part of the video of this chapter. You can neatly get it, or you can get it detailed. Okay. That is why that Indian Standard Time that I have spoken then, and you can watch it. And ideal means not ideal. This also I have taught in the first part of the video. Ideal means international date line. International date line means, my dear children, in the global map we have prime meridian. Prime meridian, that is 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude opposite is called Pacific Ocean. When Pacific Ocean you cross, your date definitely changes. Suppose your date is in east longitude and west longitude. We have from prime meridian to right side, we count it as east longitude, and left side is counted as west longitude. And east longitude, when you east longitude, you are traveling by flight or ship, and you are on Monday, then you cross just opposite to prime meridian, you have Pacific Ocean. And Pacific Ocean, when you cross, date becomes, suppose you are in Monday, it will be Tuesday. And suppose you are in west longitude and coming from Pacific to this one prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, then you are on Tuesday. So Tuesday after Monday, or Tuesday, then you cross the prime meridian, then you have Monday. That's what your specific time place is Pacific Ocean. Opposite is Pacific Ocean opposite is prime meridian, or prime meridian opposite is Pacific Ocean, and there our date changes. Suppose you are in Monday, then you cross Pacific Ocean, then you are in west longitude, you have Tuesday. You are in Tuesday. Okay, that's where the international date line is counted. Okay, that's so. Understanding coordinates, very important. Understanding coordinates. Here, what is coordinate? Everybody write down, please. Coordinates are a set of numbers or values to decide an exact place in the map. Once again, those are watching, you may write it. When you watch my YouTube channel, you should write this point. See, what is actual coordinates? Coordinates are a set of numbers. Number C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number I have given longitude wise. Latitude wise also I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the set of numbers. Set of numbers, or these numbers or values. Values also 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, 5 values you may keep in mind. Or number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also you can. These numbers or set of values to decide an exact place. We will decide an exact place. See, suppose you say we have 4 degree or 3 longitude, third longitude. Suppose this is third longitude. Third longitude. Okay, 1, 2, then third longitude. This is third longitude, suppose, and now we are deciding the place in the map. Let us see. That is why coordinate each other. The longitude and latitude coordinate each other. How coordinate? Suppose you say my house is in third degree longitude. We got third degree longitude. Okay, longitude 3 we got, and then latitude also number 3 latitude also. Let us see number 3 latitude, 1 2 3. This is third number latitude. Third number latitude plus third number longitude. Then third number 3 longitude and number 3 latitude. You go and see, sir, that is my house. Then here your house is supposed to be found. Your place in the map. Your place is located with the help of the numbers. Number of the longitude, number of the latitude decides your place where your house is. See, easily we could find with the help of longitude. And the student told, sir, my house is in the 3 degree longitude and 3 degree latitude. Easily you can find the student's house here. So this is small example I have given. That is the coordinate. It is said, don't confuse what is coordinates and so. Coordinates are a set of numbers or values to decide an exact place in the map. That's all, my dear children. Then next one is longitudes. How many longitudes are there? The first class itself, first video you can get all those detail. 360 longitudes are there. How, sir? One side is 180 and 180 equal to 360 longitudes. Longitude north pole to south pole, like that, north to south. It is connected. That long one is called longitude. All longitude. How many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes are there. And then latitude, how many latitudes are there? Latitude means what? So for example, latitudes are this type of imaginary line is called latitude, from west to east. So west to east connectivity is called latitude. And how many latitudes are there together? Of course, in 0 degree latitude to northern hemisphere or north pole, we have only 90 latitude, and then 0 degree equator latitude to south pole, we have 90 latitudes. Together 90 plus 90 equal to 180 latitudes we have got. Okay, with the help of latitude and longitude we find our place easily. That is called coordinates value. These are value, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value. With the help of these 3 values or 3 numbers, latitude wise, longitude wise, or longitude wise, latitude wise, we have numbers. With the value, number values are also like the numbers. With the help of numbers, with the help of values, we can locate our places in exact place. Okay, that's all. Then what is grid? Grid also I have explained elaborately in the first video itself. You can watch it. When two longitude latitude intersect each other, keep in mind, when longitude and latitude intersect means join each other, that joining part is called grid. And with the help of grid, longitude, latitude, easily we can find the place of someone, or where is our state is located, where Tamil Nadu is located, where Chennai is located, we can easily find. That's right, with the help of longitude and latitude, with the help of grid also. This is called grid. When longitude, latitude intersect each other, exactly intersect each other, wherever intersect, that is called grid. With the help of these 3 elements, we can locate ourselves easily on the atlas map or in the globe. Okay. Then, my dear children, conventional symbols also I said. What are these internationally accepted symbols? Symbols are called conventional symbols. That I have shown, I have talked also here. Okay, and with this short video, we are completing chapter 2 itself. Chapter 1, 90% of the subject matters are discussed. In chapter 1, class 6th, geography chapter 1. First video itself all covered up. and this is a little bit remaining parts, especially type of maps, and then components of map. And then today I wanted to speak actually more about coordinates are set. This coordinate, what are coordinates? Coordinates means this longitude and latitudes plus grid together decides to find a place in the map. This is the small video that I have to talk to you. With this, our chapter 1 is finishing. Before I conclude this session, today's session, I will request one more thing. You have to go through detail the video or the YouTube or the channel that you are opening and learning. Listen carefully, and then what you need to do, you need to little bit like the chapter or like the class also. You please like little bit and share with your friends also, and then you need to, if you wish, you can subscribe the channel also. And with this chapter 1 we are completing all the hard word meanings, and in chapter 1 question answer, everything is everything you can find in below be given description box. And then next class we will meeting in the same place and same venue and same time. Chapter 2, here I have chapter oceans and continents, all detail I have taught. This is chapter 2 of your social science, oceans and continents. We'll have a descriptive class nicely in the next period. Stay tuned. Have a nice time. Bye bye.